Good morning, guys. It's freaking 2 a.m. We're gonna go drive to Lake Moraine to do the sunrise hike. This is so, oh my god. Okay, let's go. Literally pitch black outside.
Unbelievably black outside. With the sun.
We're at the lake parking lot. I have my light source, the rune.
Can't even see me.
Jordan, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling tired, and icemen never get cold.
Gosh, I forget there are bears here. Why the freak are there bears here?
Why are you worried about why bears are here? This is the forest. We're in their home. Stupid.
What time is it?
4.
Sure, yeah, we can say we're halfway.
It's kind of beautiful.
It's 4:06. Oh, we're choked.
I hear the birds chirping.
Yo, fuck me up, goon.
I'm so tired, guys, but we have 0.5 miles left, and the sunrise is at 5:30, so we'll make it.
Then you just crop it.
What? Kept trying.
Hey guys, we're heading back to the hotel. We're gonna sleep for a long time.
This is so cold. It's kind of lovely like this though.
We're gonna have our rest time after this rigorous hike. It's 8:50 o'clock. Good night.
Like, I'm not tripping, right? Have you ever heard someone say it's 8:45 o'clock?
Hello guys, I just woke up from my nap. We're gonna go to downtown Banff. I feel very tired.
I can't believe it's 12:50 p.m.
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
We're in downtown Banff, walking around, trying to find a place to eat.
When I was my last few months there.
I got my latte, and we're gonna look up dessert.
Ice cream shops. Search nearby.
This is our ice cream.
It's smacking, dude. He got headphones.
Yeah, are you
This is what it looks like at 9 p.m. in Banff.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from California. We just passed by Safeway to get some fruits. We got some blueberries and blackberries. We also are trying to fiber max, so we got these candies. And we're gonna taste test them.
Alright, I got the Smart Sweets Sweet Fish.
Gummy worms.
Guilt-free candy. Yum, 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 yum. The Sour Patch Kids knockoff, kind of. Cheers. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of mid. Yeah, trade. You wanna try some?
Oh, this one's soft.
This one's kind of ass.
It's just a mess.
Kind of weird aftertaste.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Edit that out.